Hallo und willkommen bei Linkobuddy. In the previous lesson, we have learned about how to introduce yourself in German. As a beginner, today's lesson is the most important lesson for you because you will learn Personalpronomen in German. Once again, Personalpronomen, that is personal pronouns. Do you know how to say I, you, he, she, it, we, and they in German? These small words are extremely important because we use them in almost every German sentence. For example, ich lerne Deutsch. I learn German. Spielt Fußball. He plays football. Wir sprechen Deutsch. We speak German. Today, you will learn personal pronouns and how to use them correctly. So, los geht's! Personal pronouns replace the name of a person, animal, or thing. Instead of saying Anna kommt aus Deutschland, Anna wohnt in Berlin, we can say Anna kommt aus Deutschland, sie wohnt in Berlin. Here, sie means she. Just like English has I, you, he, she, it, we, and they, German has ich, du, sie, es, wir, ihr, sie und sie. German also has one extra important form, that is Sie with capital S, the formal version of you. Let's learn one by one. The German word for I is ich. For example, ich heiße Tom. My name is Tom. Literally, I am Tom. Ich höre Musik. I listen music. Ich lerne Deutsch. I am learning German. So, whenever you are talking about yourself, you will often start with ich. Easy, right? Next pronomen is du. Du means you. When speaking informally to one person, you normally use du with friends, family, children, and people you know very well. For example, du lernst Deutsch. You are learning German. Du wohnst in München. You live in Munich. Du bist nett. You are nice. So, I is ich and du is you. Next we have means he. For example, Max eats pizza. Max eats pizza. Max wohnt in Hamburg. Max lives in Hamburg. Instead of repeating Max, we use Max isst Pizza. Wohnt in Hamburg. Another example, arbeitet in Berlin. He works in Berlin. So, he means For she, German uses sie. For example, she is Anna. Sie ist Anna. Sie kommt aus Deutschland. She comes from Germany. Sie spricht Deutsch. She speaks German. So, she means sie. But remember this word because sie has another meaning that we'll learn soon. Next is S. S usually means it. For example, das ist ein Buch. That is a book. Es ist interessant. It is interesting. Another example is das Kind spielt. The child is playing. Es spielt Fußball. It is playing football. So, it means S. Next we have wir. Wir means we. For example, wir lernen Deutsch. We are learning German. Wir wohnen in Deutschland. That is, we live in Germany. Wir trinken Kaffee. We drink coffee. If you and other person are doing something together, you can use wir. That is, we. Now we have a German pronoun that English learners sometimes find confusing. It is ihr. Ihr means you. But it is used when speaking informally to more than one person. Imagine you are talking to two friends. You can say, ihr lernt Deutsch. You are learning German. Or, ihr wohnt in Berlin. You live in Berlin. Think of ihr as you all. So, one friend is du, several friends ihr. For example, Tom, du lernst Deutsch. But Tom und Anna, ihr lernt Deutsch. Now something very important. Sie can also mean they. For example, Anna and Max live in Berlin. Anna und Max wohnen in Berlin. Instead of repeating their names, we say Sie wohnen in Berlin. That is, they live in Berlin. Another example, Sie arbeiten zusammen. They work together. So, now we have sie means she and sie means they also. How do you know which one it means? Usually, the sentence and the verb make it clear. For example, sie kommt aus Berlin. She comes from Berlin. But sie kommen aus Berlin. They come from Berlin. Don't worry too much about the verb endings yet. We will learn them separately. German has one more very important pronoun. That is sie, but this time with capital S. This means formal you. You use sie when speaking politely or formally. For example, with someone you don't know, like customers, officials, or in many professional situations. For example, wie heißen Sie? What is your name? Compare it with wie heißt du and wie heißen Sie. Here, wie heißt du is informal and wie heißen Sie is formal. Another example is wo wohnen Sie? Where do you live? Notice something important. Formal Sie is always written with a capital S. Let's have a quick summary of what we have just learned. Repeat after me. Ich, du, sie, es, wir, ihr, sie, sie. Ich is first person singular. Du is informal second person singular. Sie, es are the third person singular. Wir, ihr, Sie are the plural second person singular. Now, let's test what you have learned. Question 1. How do you say I am learning German? The correct answer is B. Ich lerne Deutsch. Question 2. Anna lives in Berlin. Can you tell which pronoun replaces Anna? Correct. It is B. Sie. Sie wohnt in Berlin. Question 3. Max is from Germany. Which pronoun do we use? Correct. It is A. Er kommt aus Deutschland. Question 4. You are speaking to two friends. Which pronoun should we use? Correct answer is B. Ihr. Question 5. You are politely asking a stranger, where do you live? Which sentence should you use? The correct answer is C. Wo wohnen Sie? Sehr gut. Here is a simple trick to memorize all the personal pronouns. Say them in 3 groups. Ich, du, sie, es, wir, ihr, sie. Once again. Ich, du, sie, es, wir, ihr, sie. And that's it. Now you know the German personal pronouns. That is German Personalpronomen. In the next lesson, we will learn the most important verbs haben and sein. If this lesson helped you, please subscribe to our channel Lingo Buddy and continue learning German with us. Bis zum nächsten Mal. Tschüss!